To the left of Lagos' famous Third Mainland Bridge is a fishing community of more than 85,000 people living in extreme poverty and harsh conditions on stilts along the Lagos Lagoon, yet surviving and thriving despite all odds. This is a story of their struggles and resilience, and I want the world to hear about Makoko. Makoko is popularly referred to as the Venice of Africa because 1/3 of it is on water and the rest on land, and it was established in the 19th century. The name Makoko is gotten from a Yoruba word which means pick akoko, and akoko is a leaf that has been used for centuries to aid fertility and used during chieftaincy coronation. About half of the population of children in Makoko are out of school as they are hawkers for their parents, selling either fish or other things to get about their daily bread. The houses on water are built from hardwood and supported by wood driven into the waterbed. I will be touring one of them later in the video. Every day, people pass the Third Mainland Bridge to the influential parts of Lagos called the Island. Yet, it seems nobody remembers these people, despite their extreme living conditions. So water from outside comes here, all the water from your canal, everything, it comes here, from Yaba, everywhere, it comes here. That's why the water is this color. You can see how black the water is. Then they themselves now pool here, bathe here and everything, but these people don't mind. This is the only primary school available for all the children in Makoko. Another one is being constructed, but they require our donations to make it a completion. So if you want to donate, please check for details in my description box. So this is a classroom. This is a classroom. How many students can this place take?
Yeah, like 8 in this class.
8. 80. 80. Wow, 80. Hey, God. Wow, I thought you said like 8. 80. That's a lot, too. Wow.
We are waiting for the construction.
You will move to the other place. Okay. Wow. So what class is it?
This is
KG1. Okay. All right. Education is one of the rights of a child, but here in Makoko, this is a luxury with very few access to primary education, and a lot of people don't even dream of getting into secondary school or the university. So they are going for a party. Okay. I had the opportunity of interacting with Taiwo, who was born here, and here is what she had to say about her beloved community.
I like everything about Makoko. So we live a life with comfortable. So we have no fights, nothing, no police. So we make peace in the community. Not like outside, we hear fights, we hear something, we hear they're shooting guns, they're shooting something is happening. So yeah, we are safe. So we sleep in the house, we wake without nothing, without no fights, without no hearing a word, without no hearing anything. So we think we are okay. The experience is surreal. Wow, look at everywhere, guys. I'm scared, but I'm not scared at the same time. I know that I just kind of feel like I'm at home. I don't feel too tense like that because these are people like us. So
Cheers to exploring new things. So we just checked out the school, and now we are about to check out somebody's house. Kiloruko, what's your name, ma? Bernadette. Okay, thank you so much, ma, for allowing us to enter your house. Pretty girl, what's your name? Deborah. Okay, so you're a daughter, right? Okay. So how long have you been living here in Makoko? I'm sure you were born here, right? Yes. Okay. So this is your living room. When you have guests, this is where they come.
Yes, this is where
they attend to them. That's where they sit down outside. Yeah. Okay. So, Mom, how many of you are living here?
So, we know me. 8.
8. So this is our bedroom. Wow, somebody is sleeping now. So this is our bedroom. Come in. So there's no fan. Do people not in this environment normally use fans? I know.
Not all. No, some. Not all, but just some. Because majority of them can't afford to buy fan for themselves.
So the normal thing is no fans.
Yes, no fan. They say that, but they use electricity, but not everyone.
Okay.
Just only those that can afford it.
That can afford.
Yes.
So how did they get it? Did the government pass electricity?
No, you get those particular people that they usually run it outside to the community. So they are the ones that usually go around to collect the
fee. Okay. Okay. All right. There's a big hole. Hope nobody can fall down here.
You know, it's a room, so
it's a room. There's a big hole here, so she didn't know how to navigate it. And this is the toilet. We show them the toilets. I had the privilege of speaking to Chief Shemede Emmanuel, who happens to be the ballet of Makoko waterfront, and he told me a lot of things that I want you to hear. First off, how did this community come about?
So, Makoko is a fishing community village. So if any fisherman can live anywhere to survive, they must live near to a water or river. So those many of people you are seeing here, most of them some come from Ogun State, Badagry, Ondo States. Even from Ijo, but they are not as much as that. So government are planning to chase us out of the community. But now they are talking to us to make some development in the community. So they are trying to so the government now come later to compromise with us that they won't chase us anymore. So they will try to develop to make the water clean, make the environment look good. So that's their willingness now. Everything is commence.
No whiskey,
so it was whiskey that came here some months ago.
Oh my God!
So we don't know if we don't know maybe we truly did, but he told us that we come to rebuild all the houses in the community.
To rebuild all the houses
in the community.
Whiskey,
so that's the promise whiskey gave them.
Okay. So I know you've been living here for long, but can you live anywhere apart from this water?
You know,
if I give you a house in another place in the mainland, can you live
here? You don't know. You why you live for me called Jesus to me. I got from the be a gap. You know me say you lawyer.
Don't know where you lawyer.
Is there fish there to catch?
There is no fish.
Never me.
So what are we not going to do there now?
Okay.
So the major strength here is the fishing.
Okay. So you cannot survive outside the water.
So definitely you are trying to kill us. They come white people, European, American, from other continents. They all come to tourists. around the community. So he was very happy when he felt very happy when he saw whiskey coming. So that is whiskey is a real Nigerian that have come to our community.
Yeah.
So not only white people.
So you're a whiskey fan, right?
So the whiskey said,
sing a whiskey song for us. When you see me drive by. I'm so grateful to the people of Makoko for allowing me into their community and into their lives. One thing I learned about this journey is that as long as you do not allow the waters of life to get into your boat, you are not going to drown. So stay positive and do this.
Please subscribe.
Thank you.